Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, the people living in a community can be divided into equal groups of 21, 252, 84, 18. So, find the least number of people living in the community. Now, to find the least number of people living in the community, which divided into equal groups of 21, 252, 84 and 18. We need to find least common multiple of these numbers, means 21, 252, 84 and 18. So we can find the LCM of these numbers by prime factorization. Firstly, prime factorization of 21 is 3 into 7. Then 252 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. For 84, it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And for 18, it is 2 into 3 into 3. Now, to find the least common multiple of 21, 252, 84 and 18, multiply together each of the prime number with highest power. Now here it is 3 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 7 to the power 1. Here 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1. And for 18, it is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2. So now we can find here LCM by multiply together each of the prime number with highest power. Here we can observe for 2, the highest power is 2 to the power 2. Then for 3, highest power is 2. And for 7, highest power is 1. So the multiplication of all this is 252. Hence, least number of people living in the community will be 252.